Think twice before your next meal out in Telangana. Recent sweeps by health inspectors across the region have brought some unsettling news to light. Popular dining spots including Taaza all-day breakfast and Chicha's Asli Hyderabadi Khana are among those caught in the net of safety violations. The inspectors unearthed a variety of issues, from poor hygiene practices like unclean cooking areas to more alarming concerns such as inadequate food storage that could pose health risks. Now let's get into the specifics of these violations. Here's what inspectors found in some of Telangana's favorite dining spots. At Paradise Food Court, a rather curious situation unfolded. While the food court displayed all necessary licenses and maintained good hygiene practices, questions arose concerning the water quality. Bottled water from Taaza brand was tested on the spot, showing TDS levels at 73 ppm, which is within acceptable limits. However, samples were sent off for further laboratory analysis to ensure compliance, with results still pending. Moving to Haveli West Side on NTR Bypass Road in Khana, the scenario was less appealing. Inspectors discovered synthetic food colors, which were immediately destroyed. Expired items such as Reese Rawa and Papad had to be seized and discarded. Furthermore, essential items like penne rigate and apricot were found improperly labeled. The establishment also suffered from a lack of basic hygiene in the cooking areas, with rusted machinery and food handlers missing crucial protective gear. There was also a complete absence of pest control measures. Over at the Train Theme restaurant in Kompally, conditions were troubling. Stalks of cashews were found to be infested. Vegetables like cauliflower and onions were in such bad condition that they had to be discarded. Additionally, a concerning blockage in the sink could compromise sanitation during food preparation. Lastly, at Taaza all-day breakfast in Medchal, several food safety protocols were breached. Colors used in food were discarded, and vegetables along with lemons were found unfit for consumption. Dalchini stored improperly had to be thrown out. The lack of medical records for food handlers and an uninitiated pest control program further compounded the issues. These findings not only violate regulations, but also pose serious health risks. What can we do to combat these alarming food safety issues? In light of the recent findings, it becomes imperative for us all to champion the cause of strict food safety protocols in the hospitality sector. Vigilance and adherence to these standards are not just legal requirements, but are vital to ensuring public health and safety. Restaurant owners, here's a call to action. Prioritize cleanliness and uphold the highest food safety practices in your establishments. It is essential to not only follow, but exceed the guidelines set by food safety authorities to protect and respect your patrons. As patrons, let's make informed choices. Support those establishments that demonstrate a strong commitment to food safety. Be observant, ask questions about the food's origin and handling, and choose to dine at places known for their stringent safety measures. Stay informed, stay safe, and always demand the best in food safety where you dine.